nothing to be afraid of. Even when the night changes, it will never change me and you.
Hey yo, what's up mga kabirak? At ayan, meron na yung setup ngayon dito sa the venue, sa Levrick. So 18th birthday, so tie up lang tayo dito, kaya ang dala natin is projector lang. So kasama natin yung MJC Lights and Sounds. So pakita ko sa inyo yung setup nila. So ito guys yung pinaka-entrance nila. So may nilagay si MJC po dito ng dalawang backdrop lights. And ito yung may birthday si Maria Daniel. Pasukan natin guys yung loob. Tingnan natin kasi. So, tapos na nga pala yung setup ng MJC Pro. So yung projector natin doon natin nilagay sa may left side. And then yan gamit niya dito is dalawang B3 para sa monitor. And then ito yung pinaka DJ booth. So dito na rin tayo pupwesto katabi ng DJ.
Hey mga pogi, what's up?
So yun, so habang nag-aantay tayo ng bisita, i-play na muna natin yung presentation ng debutant. So ang host pala natin ngayon ay si Miss Udi Bernardo. Siya ang mag-host ngayong gabi. Time check mga 7:30, so malapit na rin mag-start yung program. So standby lang kayo dyan guys. At habang di pa nga-start, so yun, kakanta muna daw si Miss Udi Bernardo.
Life. Thank you for gathering these people, these amazing people, Lord God. These very people love her so much, and Dania is very special to every person in this place right now.
Miss Visitin, I'm gonna be your host, ladies and gentlemen. And before I further proceed, you also look awesome in white and also in black. Why not black? So wanna give yourselves the warm. Be happy because I'm bringing you our woman of the hour, put that together for Maria Daniel Fajardo. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the biggest and the warmest of applause for this beautiful lady. Rosa Carmeli Fajardo, Christina Baco, Stephanie Guienes, Mary Jane Santos, Ayla May Calda, Nicole Yap, Ian Julia Watt, and why? Okay, sige, why?
Kasi very thoughtful siya and she knows how to cheer you up and be there for you. For me, one adjective that
But more than that, unahin ko na muna yung dalawang Yes, siya. First and foremost, narito po, palakpakan po natin, Lola Carmelita Fajardo, who will be sharing with us why
Kung ano may bibigay, oras, pero nandito ka sa puso. Lagi yung tatandaan na hindi ka nag-isip. Kasi lahat sila.
Anytime I feed you, get me no. Anytime I see you, let me know. But I'm glad to see you, just let me go. I'm on my knees and I'm begging, 'cause I don't wanna lose you. Yeah, yeah. But I'm begging, begging you. So put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging, begging you. So put your loving hand out, darling. I need you to understand. Just boy, it feels so good.
The following program contains themes and scenes. Let's go. Just like a song. You're so cute.
Just open up your heart and music in the soul. I got that sunshine in my pocket, like the soul in my face. Come on, keep my body when it drops. Let's take it through. I just take my eyes off it. It's so phenomenally, and not the way you want it. So stop under the lights where everything goes. No matter high that I'm getting you close. When you move, when you already for the 18 something pink. You really love.
Ito lang kami palagi. Kaming lahat. Kami ni Daddy. Mahal ka namin. Lahat ng... Lagi ko sa'yo sinasabi kung ano yung hindi mo kayang sabihin sa ibang tao.
Kaya ko po dyan. Ay, pati mo sa inyo. Sure ba? Pati mo sa inyo. Diba? So, iba ko lang. Good lang sa college life and sa buhay mo in general.
Ilan ko muna. Del, happy birthday. Nandito lang kami ni Talika para sa'yo. Siyempre, hindi lang yan. Alam mo naman, hindi lang yan yung tinuro ko sa'yo. Marami pang iba, kaya makabait.
Kung tayo ay matanda na, sana'y di tayo mabago. Kailanman, nasaan man ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo pa kaya ako'y nagkanagkapit. Hanggang sa pagtanda natin, nagtatanong kapiling. Everything that you've ever dreamed of disappearing when you wake up. There's nothing to be afraid of. Even when the night changes, we will never change. Me and you.
Tangan ko is hindi magpapalantas magtatanong.
Sa dudes ko, avoid drinking too much alcohol. Tapos instead don't, wag ka na lang uminom. Sa akin po.
For everyone, again, I wanted to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you for being here tonight to celebrate this special milestone with me. Your presence has truly made this debut an unforgettable experience. To my family and friends,
Now that you're 18, mas malaking responsibilidad ang magkakaroon ka. You have to take care of yourself. Remember, friends, they come and go. You can have thousands of friends, pero ang pamilya, isa lang. Pinagagalitan ka man ng iyong mga magulang, ng iyong lola at lola, ng iyong tito at tita, okay yun.
So yan guys, tapos na yung event. Mamaya pasalamat tayo kay RJC License Sounds. On behalf of JGM Audio License Sounds, magpapasalamat ako sa MJC tama ba? Ayun, MJC License Sounds. Ayun sir.
Solid, sobrang solid. Dirak. Napaganda ng proyekto. Solid.
Hanggang sa susunod. Thank you.
I'm very